Well, the COVID-19 pandemic now impacting future lawyers. The July Ohio bar exam has been rescheduled multiple times. Now, those scheduled to take the test going to do it virtually.
Very interesting, but as Hattie Hawks reports, the extra time to study isn't necessarily an advantage.
In a typical year, recent law graduates would be anxious to start the Ohio bar exam, but due to the pandemic, they won't be taking the test until the time they'd normally get their results.
Things have certainly taken a drastic turn from what we expected.
Ben Winter was the president of his class at Capital Law. He, like many, recently saw this update from the Supreme Court of Ohio on its website saying, quote, in light of the COVID-19 pandemic and for vital safety, logistical, and planning considerations concerning the administration of the exam, the in-person September exam is postponed. In its place, a remote and virtual exam in October, something Winter says is not as advantageous as it may seem.
It requires cheating detection software, and that software monitors activities such as if someone else enters the room, or if you're going to the restroom too often.
He also says it's something the students will have to pay for, an extra cost when times are already tight, something he worries will create an even bigger obstacle for minorities.
They're already substantially less likely to pass the bar exam than others, but now more research has come out that they're actually, now with this new format, they're actually even more at risk of not passing the bar exam.
Potential technical glitches are also a concern.
From what I heard in Indiana, when they had issues with their technology, they just got a voicemail when they called technical support in the middle of the bar exam.
One silver lining for Winter, he was able to get a job thanks to a pending practice admission, essentially a temporary license to practice law without passing the bar.
I'm very glad that I was able to find a job, especially one that I love so much. But again, I just know I'm an anomaly, and that is not the case for the majority of my classmates.
As he waits to take the test, he hopes the powers that be reconsider how to move forward now and possibly in the years to come.
This July was supposed to be the first time that students taking the bar would receive reciprocity in a large number of states, but due to the changes this winter, that will not be happening.